Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican or Caribbean Guinness Punch. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm going to start by adding the Guinness to the blender, and I'm using 2 Guinness. You can use a large Guinness. They have a larger size. They have a larger size Guinness than these. Gonna add the next one. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. I like to use freshly grated nutmeg. I'm gonna use a Supligent. You can use whole milk, whichever type of milk you want to use. You can use, but I'm using Supligent. I have a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. And this is what we have here. It's looking so good and smelling so nice. Oh my god. The last part now is to sweeten. I'm gonna sweeten this with 1 condensed milk. Look at this, so rich and thick. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add the condensed milk. And you can sweeten this to your taste. And there you have it guys, simple and easy. I'm gonna serve this up. There you have it guys. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching guys, with freshly grated nutmeg on top. Simple and easy Guinness Punch. Bye guys, thanks for watching.